This is my custom Eagle Eyes grill light, and it is my under dash LED light. Okay, let's head to the third brake light then. Alright, there's a left turn signals. See, and I don't use the running light. It's a left turn signals. And reverse lights. Seeing the running light is not legal in California to have the stroke like any light in the back, and it is emergency light. Can show you the brake lights in I'm recording right now. This third brake lights need a constant power supply to the control box to able to have the signal turn correctly. So I use an other fuse to the under dash fuse box and go to the cigarette outlet to have the constant power run from the driver's side to all the way to the back and hook into the third brake lights negative and positive wires. I will show you how to run the wire from the driver's side down to the rear later. So I tuck the wires just behind the plastic trims instead of open it to save time. And for this plastic trims, where the step, do the same thing and run the wire to the back. The same thing, I just tuck the wire just under the plastic trims and go along this way, right, like this, under the back seat, and then just run a wire along the edge there between the weather shoe and the seat and go all the way up to the back. So I need to open that plastic trims right there, just pull it out. It's gonna be released the pins in there. Just take it out completely so you can run the wire, go to the trunks, and also the wire of the LED third brake light right there. So I stick the brake lights just right above the rear windshield. So there's a few opening from the inside of the car to the trunk for you to run the wire to the trunk. As you can see, that's right there. When you as you open the plastic trims, you will see a few holes there. So really easy, and then run the wire back here to the tail lights. As you can see, I tapped some, wire to the turn signals and the brake light, and if you want, you can tap into the running light too using this T-tapping. They are color coded, like for the yellow is for the signals, white for the running light and something like that. So there's a control box there, so just follow the guide from the control box. They show you which wire need to tap in, and you can see there's a black and red wires, which is positive and negative. Also it is the green wire, which is the running light, which is I'm not going to use it. Ready, and then I tied it up with a zip tie into the traces. So the red, you go to the positive, and black gonna go to the ground, which is also negative. And to access the tail light, what you need to do is just remove this black pins there, right there. I'll show you. Just use a flathead and just peel it out. Okay, next is a grocery hook. You see that two pins on the sides right there? What you do is just squeeze it and pull it out. That's it. That's all you need, and you remove a few more pins as you need it for more open space.